Hello friends, I'm here to explain the installation process of Honda Connect on your smartwatch and its remote operations. And before that, I request you to please subscribe and like my videos. So keep watching. Thank you. So guys, here's the Honda Connect app already installed. So I'll do one thing. And the app is also installed on this watch too. You can see the process for installation of this is directly you go to the Play Store. And when you install Honda Connect app, if your watch is linked to your mobile, it would directly show available on more devices. So if you are unable to see from here, you can directly go to the Play Store of your watch and you can search for Honda Connect, HONDACONN. Here directly you can search for the Honda Connect app and is there. See, I've already installed, so it is open. It is showing as open. If not, you can directly install it from here. So after installation, let's assume that now already installed. So I'll go back to home screen of Honda Connect and I'm going to delink my existing watch. Here I'm removing. Okay, do you want to remove? Okay, here I removed. Now the watch is not linked to Honda Connect app on my mobile, so it has to be linked. For this, now I'm going to reopen again. It is opening. Wait a minute. See, once you open and want to connect your watch to your mobile, the first two things it asks for is either enter the phone number or else the code. So you better select the code. It would be easy. So 7423D2. Okay, sorry, I was doing something like not pressing properly. Here I'm going to connect. Now the smartwatch is connected to your Honda Connect. Your smartwatch has been successfully. Now after this, the watch will ask for your MPIN. If you have created an MPIN over here, it will ask for that MPIN, so that your car cannot be linked to any other device. If your card is linked to Honda Connect on your mobile, the same cannot be opened on different mobile. Again, it will ask for an MPIN. So here I already created an MPIN onto this. I'll enter the same. Okay. Now next, your device is connected. Successfully logged in to your car. Successfully logged in. Select your default vehicle. Okay, now car status. So guys, this is how it's connected now. Now the watch, now you can go into variables and you can check for verification. Variables, connected device, Samsung. So this is how it is connected and installation procedure. So next is I'll show you the remote operations from my watch. So guys, keep watching. Okay, here is my watch. It's classic model. So I'm going to open Honda Connect app. Presently car status is locked. You can see that yesterday 7:50 PM. Now I'm going to do remote operations. Firstly, I'm going to show you doors opening and closing. Okay, it's asked for PIN. If you have set the PIN, you've just entered the PIN. I've already set the PIN. Right. So once you enter the PIN, this is the option screen. So here you press on remote operation, AC doors. So I'm going to show you door unlock and locking. See, the rear lights will flash and the headlight will flash, and you can see the rear view mirror. It will be opening. Yeah, you can see that it's unlocked. This will show the car has been unlocked. Okay, now it's unlocked. You can see. I'll open the rear. Yeah, it's unlocked. Now I'm going to lock this again. I'm going to lock this. Lock. You can see the rear view mirrors. It's locked. Fine. Okay, now I'm going to show you remote starting procedure. So doors was done and the first option is the AC. It asking for the temperature, which temperature you want, normal temperature, cool or something. So by default I'll select the cool. You can see the vehicle will be starting, and there will be few lights on the dashboard flashing like seat belt, etc, etc. You'll hear the engine sound also once it started. Yes, it's already started, and you can see there are few lights flashing on the dashboard. AC on, temperature set at 22 degrees centigrade. So now the vehicle starting procedure is done. Now I'm going to turn off. Stop. Engine is stopped. It's done. So guys, this works on all Samsung watches. So on Honda Connect app, on watch, you have very limited remote operations. Of course, remote operations are the same in Honda Connect app over mobile also. Like this, you have seen this already. I have shown these three: AC and door, and the other thing is find car. And you have share my location. My car is the profile details of your car. Profile is yourself, and help is SOS or RSA. So guys, this is Samsung Galaxy Watch, and if you have any query, please put it in the comment section. Please do subscribe and share. I request you to subscribe and encourage me, and I'll be coming with many such videos. Whatever I learn, I'll try to share. So guys, thank you. Have a nice day.